We are just climbing up to the top of this waterfall. We are going to walk onto the top and we will see standing on top of this waterfall. Now this is the way back. This is the way back to the top. The way we came down. Now we're just going up. And here is a beautiful garden. Yeah, here is Mr. Samir Kumar.
Oh my God.
Yeah, how do you feel about this place, man?
In this rainy season.
How do you feel?
Amazing, man.
Really?
Really.
Wow.
Extremely amazing.
Wow.
How can I express my feelings? I'm very good, happy. Yeah.
Okay.
Now in this creation has given everything.
Oh my God.
Given us everything.
Would you like to come back again?
We should have the fun.
Yeah, of course we will have.
To find the place and location
Okay,
at
yeah.
the perfect time.
Would you like to come back again?
Obviously, I'd been here 3 times.
Oh my God.
Right now this is 4th time.
This is my first
And It's
time.
my pleasure to move here. Again, I want to come here.
Okay. And now the rain is clear.
Really.
And we got a clear sky.
Oh my, wonderful.
And we also got dogs here. And dogs are also here.
You see the boys are here.
Yeah, look at these boys. Charming boys. How boys?
Look at the lady.
Yeah.
She must be 100 above. She's surviving right
Oh
now.
yeah. Look
She
at
must be
this.
700.
Look at this woman.
Come on, if you
She
have
might be.
10 rupees,
She might
I'm
be
gonna give
100
her
years old. Yeah, of course.
I want
Now
to
we are just we're really happy. And I'm just going to ask you something. I'm just going to let you know that. I'm just going to ask her what's her name.
Just blessing.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କ'ଣ?
Mausi na kono? Ni parenti?
Raiva.
Ema.
Okay, she is a Telugu lady. Okay,
Devlet.
Telugu. Odia.
Ula ula.
Odia. Odia ଆସୁଛି?
Ah.
Okay, ନାଁ କ'ଣ ମାଉସୀ?
Raiva raiva.
ରହିବା. Wow.
Kete boys.
Kita tiga kuang dan babu.
Janna.
କେତେ ବୟସ ହେଲା
Kita bagi kuang.
କିଏ ହେଲା
Ulla basa.
ନା ନା ଓଲା ନା ଆମର ଆଦିବାସୀ
Basa bas bada. Ha.
Adivasi language.
ଆମର ମାନଙ୍କର ଜାଗା ଆପଣ
Bangda.
Wow, look at this man. Look at this.
ବୟସ
Yang macam
Bulab, yeah. Look at this Bulabab. He knows many languages.
Forgetting everything.
Yeah, he knows many languages. He knows Telugu. He knows Adivasi language. Adivasi language is a very special language, especially for the tribes.
You listen. You just
Yeah.
come and close it.
Yeah, I'm just going closer.
ବକୁଡି ତିଆ
And he is just asking many things that we were not able to ask because, yeah, now our auntie is going to sit beside her and both are really wonderful. They are just looking. Yeah, we have just gathered here. Yeah. Look, so this is the funniest part and this is the most exciting and enjoyable part of this trip. Because if you don't have connection with people, then there is nothing in this world. We have come naked and we are going to go naked out of this world. So what we live, yeah, the rain started. That means the rain is a blessing. Yeah, it's a time to live. But just remember, this is a blessing. Rain means blessing because, you know, God is everywhere. He is blessing us throughout the journey and just.
ଆଦିବାସୀ people
Oh yeah, Adivasi people. That means
ଆଦିବାସୀ lady
she is a tribe.
Knows every language.
Yeah, and that man knows.
language ଓଡ଼ିଆ
Yeah. She knows Odia and Telugu. She is a tribal woman, and it's really nice to meet you. It's really good, and God bless you, and God bless us all. And this place is really
Come on,
amazing.
time up.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
ବାଏ ବାଏ
Yes. Now, look at this. How beautiful is this? Hey, Samir sir, can you cover me? I'm gonna shoot by her. Yeah.
ବାଂଶା yeah
I'm just going to give.
Now, our narrator is going to take part of this.
Yeah.
Okay, so you should not miss.
It's really
You
beautiful.
should not miss this.
experience, Really, I just love to come to this place because I love to be with these many people.
Oh my God.
There's
That's
really-
amazing.
Yeah.
Come.
चल चल जा चल
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
भाई यार फोटो कर सेल्फी कर
Hey, चलो.
आना काट दे
Video नहीं जा, तादो screenshot नहीं जा. नहीं गया ना. And see, everyone just wants to give her a company because this is the beautiful part of this journey. Wow. Now we're just also copying this Sururatra's dialogue. Hey, Chada. Look at this. We know many languages, really. This is the interesting part.
You know very English.
Oh yeah.
You know English.
She's looking quite happy.
Yeah, she's
the smile in her
yeah.
lips.
Look at the smile. This
Look
is the
at her
best.
smile.
Yeah,
She's very happy.
yeah. This is the best part in the coming into this world, because if you could just bring a smile,
The people
yeah,
should not steal it.
yeah. Because you know, if you could bring a smile on someone's face, then that's the worth of coming into this world. Look at Bulu Babu shaking hands so many
He doesn't
times.
want to come here.
Yeah, he doesn't want to come here. Because, actually, he wants to come here, but he doesn't want to leave this place. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now we were just planning to go onto the top of this waterfall, but I think it started raining heavily. Now you can see the raining side. It's really raining so much. And this is a wonderful experience of coming to this place with all these people.
You cover this guy.
Yeah. You just cover me because I'm gonna be the international speaker someday. Yeah. I don't know about that, but this is my dream. I don't know when this dream is going to be true. And you can see the water drops falling. And this is really, just look at just hear the sound under this umbrella. I'm just giving you just a close sound of this umbrella. Ah, really, this rainfall and raindrops falling on the trees and falling on the leaves. It's really peaceful feelings to this heart, to this sorrowful heart, because coming into this world is really very, very sorrowful. And just when you get in touch with the nature and you just get everything vanished from your heart. Now we're just climbing onto the top of this mountain. Yeah, of course I have covered it earlier. Now look at this beautiful mountainous picture.
She looks amazing in rain.
Oh yeah, I'm just getting wet in this rain, but
She is making herself wet.
then we're going to climb onto the top of this mountain. Oh, you cover me.
Cover this young lady.
You cover me. I'm just getting wet. Yeah, I know. You're just carrying me away with your words. Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's a wonderful vlog.
Oh
My God.
That's amazing to hear.
Yeah, really, we are really
Brilliantly.
very exhausted, yet
it's a
we are
feeling, man.
excited. Exhausted but excited.
Exhausted.
Right?
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. And
We should not be like that.
yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
So many things are here to come.
Look, guys, here is small shop, and you can get so
our
many
day.
things. Yeah. Now we are going to the top of that waterfall. Now look at this view from the car, and we just came by another way because there is no direct way from there. Look at this scenery. Yeah, from inside the car. Just look at this view. Look
This is
at
auto, man.
guys.
Not car. Haruna bada.
We can
Chalo
see.
Haruna bada.
Now you know everyone is a fan of Mr. Surat, right?
Bada bolche Haruna bada onne ho.
Okay, now here is the wonderful excitement inside the car as well. Wow, look at this rainfall. Wow. Yeah, really. And rainfall and our excitement. Yeah.
Just switch your camera, man.
How should I switch my camera? Here.
Camera.
Reverse your camera, man.
But there
Switch your
is
camera. Switch your camera.
here.
Front mode. Front mode. Yes.
No, it's taking picture.
Okay.
There is no switching the
Can
camera.
you do this now?
Yeah, really, I don't know how to do it.
Okay, you could not do that.
Wow. Look at this place, and everyone is so excited. My God. Also, it's really rain. Oh, here is the drinking party. Oh my God.
All are having wines in there.
Yeah, all are having wines in their glass, and it's really a hot treatment in this cold rain.
In this climate, no one can survive here.
Oh my God, look at this rain.
Red glass. Red wine should be in the glass.
Wow, look at the heavy rain. Oh my God. Ah, it's getting into this car, and it's getting wet. Wow. Now here our aunt is really bored of our. This is the last moment from Gajpati Babu, and here is the way.
This is the Indira point of
Okay.
You're gonna die. Mobile use sir.
Kitchen chota, by chota.
Water resistant.
Kindu kholi do jode chota. Oh my God! I asked for one umbrella and got two umbrellas. And look at this place. Here is the top view of this waterfall. And look at this. Look at this elevation. I think you can see the water And
the picture of the
yeah.
background also.
I'm just giving you this background. I'm just giving you the picture of this. We came in this car. Mr. Samir Kumar is just looking from inside the car. Yeah.
Filming and staring outside.
And I'm giving this outlook of this background. I'm just covering this.
Cover this area. You see the fog area.
Yeah, look at this foggy area. Wow. This is from top of this waterfall. नहीं खाई नो नहीं नहीं हाँ
कुरकुरे कुरकुरे मन पकाउ जानी काई बुल्लो वाला कौन आनले का दियो बेटा बुल्लो वाला कौन आनले जरा खोलो दिखाया.
Look at this. The rain clouds are touching this top of this mountain. And look how smoky the top is looking. I think I'm just not able to cover this completely from this moving car. But look at this foggy background of this mountain. And the clouds are just touching and kissing the top of this mountain. The clouds, yeah, here is a party. And here is a party. People are enjoying here. There is a wine party. And now the rain is clear. Rain is clear. And here we got some sweets for fun and enjoyment inside the car. Here we got some sweets, sweet treatment. Yeah.
Take it. You take it. You take it. Why you are
Wow.
not taking.
Wow, look at this. We are at the right place. Now Sudhir is giving me this sweet. I'm gonna pop this sweet inside my mouth.
चलो हरने बड़ा.
Wow. Here.
इतो जो नालटा देखेल ले ना
हरने बड़ा. चलो हरने बड़ा. हे छाड़ो.
Here I'm gonna show you the top part of this waterfall. Now look at this. Now we will go straight up there. Yeah. We'll go straight up there. Yeah, we'll definitely take some pictures. Now I'm going to show my viewers the top view of this waterfall. I think there is a shortcut way.
You have to come down, man.
Yeah,
Otherwise it
because I'm just giving you a warning because this place is really slippery, and you have a nice grip under this sandal. Okay, be careful because you are heavy. You are heavy. Oh my God! Don't push me. Yeah, be careful. Okay, now we are safe. Yeah. Oh my God. No.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this place.
Oh, you see that?
This is the perfect beauty. This is a nice treatment to our eyes. Look at this. And everything is really. This is the top of this mountain, top of this waterfall. This is the top of this mountain. Now we have just reached here. And here we have just met some of those people. We just met them at the foothill of this waterfall. Now look at these people. And they're just doing, oh yeah, perfect. Now we met the same guys. Now look at the same guys. Now here's waterfall. The water is very speed. We can cross that. Right, we'll be washed away.
They're playing the slide game.
Yeah. We'll be thrown. No, actually this water is very speed. Wow, don't dare to get into this water, oh my God. I want to just take a bath, but here we have just not come in the right kind of dress. So many names written and so many names engraved on this rock. No, it may not be possible. Say hi. I'm zooming it. Perfect. Got it. Perfect location. Now see, people are just holding to each other. Look at the speed of this water flow. Wow. This is the top view of this waterfall. This is the top view of this waterfall. Okay, I showed you everything, and here some feast is going on here behind this bamboo bush, and people are coming to party here. Wow, look at this place. Wow, pass.
ओके हम चार्ज एक तो फुल